Okay, this is Samantha Landon. She goes to North Ridgeville Middle School. She is about to try to jump this. Go ahead. Adventure time, walk, walk. This is called the Adventure Time, if anyone want to know. Adventure time! Don't forget Dora! Are you doing something? Yeah. Denver! Hey, Dora! Hold on a minute! Oh my God! Oh, okay! Do a flip! That's fun! Oh my God! Grandma, don't let me go! Oh my God! I love you, Dad! The way! I can't get up! Go good? Okay, cross. I'm all good, people. I can't! I can't do this! I can't do that! Oh my God. Come on! Go, dude, go! The only streets go at me! Go till streets, go! Oh my God, just jump! I can't do this! I can't do that! Just jump! Hey, jump! We're gonna clean up! Jump! You better hold on and get over there! Wait, don't do anything yet! Let me get a good shot! Okay, this is Camera the Lamplifier! Go! Wait, don't do anything yet! I'm ready to come in! Adventure time, so let her do her thingy, whatever she's doing. This is Maria! Woo!